Behind me here we've got a complete service body solution. We've designed it in-house for a specific client. It's been through the entire assembly line. A customer came to us a couple of months ago and they're looking to carry heavy power tools and equipment. We've provided a secure location. Let me take you through a walk through it and show you some of the unique features we've built into it. We're going to start off with the internal layout here. You'll notice we've got a really heavy duty aluminium drawer system. They're all lockable, so very secure. Just further back here there's the adjustable shelf. These are really great storage locations for any power tools and other equipment you need to carry. Externally we're making sure we're utilising every square inch available. We've fitted this service body with the under tray, tapered under tray storage lockers. Open up there. As you can see there's plenty of space inside of there. At the back here we've got our underbody rear slide out trundle drawer. We've fitted this model with a heavy duty workbench so we can open it up and then plenty of space for any longer items you need to carry. This tapered under tray toolbox is where we house the auxiliary battery. So it's a 120 amp hour AGM battery and it's got a 40 amp in-vehicle DC-DC charger. That powers the 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. There's multiple 12 volt sockets throughout the vehicle body. Up the top here we've got the LED interior lights. They provide sufficient lighting back into the body so if you ever need to do any night work, and we've connected the central locking to the main body doors. This is a complete vehicle body we've provided one of our fleet clients. It's one of 10 units. If you have any requirements for service bodies, feel free to give our sales team a call and we can help deliver your vision.